Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use iPhone as a webcam for Mac. So ensure both devices are signed in to the same Apple account with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, of course, enabled, right? No cables or third-party apps are needed for this. Okay, just mount your iPhone near your Mac and select it in your video app, right? So you need to have at least iPhone XR or newer. And for Mac, you need to run Mac OS Ventura or later. In my case, it's not like a Mac OS Ventura version, right? And ensure continuity camera is turned on. So go ahead to the settings, general, AirPlay, and continuity. Make sure it's turned on. Okay, so basically that's it. Place or position your iPhone, open a video app like FaceTime, Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, and select your camera. Go to the app's video settings or preferences and choose your iPhone from the list of camera sources. Your iPhone will automatically engage its rear camera and you will hear a chime indicating the connection. So consider liking this video. Subscribe, it really helps.